Meet James, the dynamic founder of an auto repair shop. They had an internal projects ranging from shop building expansion, building new bays for specialized repairs, and new marketing campaigns, each seemingly disconnected and overwhelming. James viewed these initiatives more as necessary evils than integrated projects, leading to disjointed approach and significant delays. Tasks were tackled haphazardly, without clear priorities or timelines, and the shop's expansion and marketing efforts suffered as well. The staff were frustrated, and progress was painfully slow. It wasn't until James hired Alex, a seasoned manager with a background in project management, that the tide began to turn. Alex introduced the concept of viewing each initiative as a project with defined scopes, deadlines, and objectives. By implementing project management tools, they were able to organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and set achievable milestones. Suddenly, what seemed like insurmountable challenges became structured projects that the team could systematically address. This shift not only streamlined their workflow, but also significantly boosted team morale and productivity.